Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this session, we are proceeding further towards the purchase order entry form, which is actually the replica. We made a copy of the sale order form since the things are very much similar with respect to the purchase order. We uh, use the same form and same pattern, right? And if you see in the purchase order, we have managed the same list box and the same supplier. Uh, Only the customer is changed with the supplier and such a few differences. Otherwise, the most of the pattern is just the same. And the same form has, while refreshing, it is of course using the same initializing code. When the form is initialized, it picks up the, the next available order number because we have until 699 the purchase orders recorded already. So 700 is correctly used by this. So this is the same code which we have used in the sale order form. Uh, in the purchase order, the same code is working quite well with respect to purchase order, right? I mean, the number is picked very well, the date and the the title bar, the the comments what are written in the title are also making sense, and the this drop down of the purchase order is rightly showing the purchase order numbers which have been recorded, and uh, as soon as you select some order, an existing enter, you when you click enter, so it populates all this information as it has been using in the sale order form. So the most of the informations are here. We don't worry about this. We will tackle this information as long as the quantities and the unit price and the amounts are coming. That's fine for us. That's not a big deal. Now we will make the adjustment. We do not want here the unit price to be actually the standard price has to come. That's okay. That's fine. As long as the data is coming in the right manner, it's fine. Okay, the shape this we will adjust in here. Okay, so one thing we have done uh, was that in the form view, you see this order one is the name. We changed it. Previously, it was sale order one. Right? Since we have changed this name from sale sale order one to order one, so we have to remember that we have this range name is being used by the sailor as well. So any changes we make here, so we we make sure that we make the changes in the sale order entry form as well. So let's go to the development window and we go to the sale order. For the time being, just to make a find and replace operation. Yes, Control F. So let's start from the top from here, and we write search what? Search sale order one, and replace it what? Replace it with order one. Yeah. So all the sale order one, because that was previously, so it is here. So we will yes press find next so that you see what is happening here. Sale order. If we run the sale order now, it will give an error because we have renamed it in the sale in the purchase order case. So we have to replace all the sale order one with the order one. Okay, so let's replace all so that 9 replacements have been done, and since we have made a change in the sale order, so it is wise to go and ensure that the sale order form has not stopped working. Okay, so it is working. It is working very well. It's fine. And any existing order like 80, 11 items, we remember, right? So 11 items must be displayed. Yes, these are displayed. That's right. It's okay. All right. So let's get back to the purchase order, and it is working with the same area, right? Same thing in here. And we choose, for example, purchase order number 7. So it was created by Jane Kotas for this was the purchase order to the supplier number J. Okay, and these 2 items are with the quantity 10, unit price 39.75, 60 cents. Okay, and okay, so let's go and see that how it is doing it, whether the unit price of both are 10 and 39 and 60. Okay, so we go to purchase order header. This is a purchase order header. We have to go to the purchase order detail. That's right. And the PO number 7 is this. These are the 2 items, 10, that's right. Unit cost is 39. That's fine. Okay. So it is taking the right price. The unit cost was supposed to be taken, and it is taking the right thing in here. Okay. And when it is multiplied by 10, and that is the quantity, so it gives you this, right? That's right. Okay, so the amounts are verified, so it is taking the right thing. So this we wanted to show you that we can quickly convert all our work that was very time consuming. Of course, we did a lot of work in the sales order entry, but now that the hard work which we did, it can easily be now utilized in the purchase order entry system. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you in our next upcoming video. Thank you.